Introducing Venus Bikini Precision. For bikini-ready skin anytime, anywhere. Its unique shape head maneuvers around every contour for safe and easy use. Its sleek and compact design gives you total precision and control. To trim, clip the comb onto the trimmer head and glide against the direction of hair growth. To shave or shape, remove the comb and use in the direction of hair growth. For bikini-ready skin anytime, anywhere. Venus Bikini Precision.
With the Brown Silk Appeal 7, get long-lasting salon smooth skin and remove hair up to 4 times shorter than wax. Use your Silk Appeal 7 at a 90-degree angle and move slowly upwards. Use under warm water helps make epilating more pleasant. Brown's pivoting head adapts to every contour, and tiny massage rollers make epilation more comfortable. There are 2 settings. Use the gentle setting for sensitive skin. The Brown Smart Light ensures even the finest hairs are never missed. For use around sensitive areas, use the shaver head attachment before epilating. The slim bikini styler is designed for precise lines, and 2 trimmer heads help give you the perfect bikini zone. Get up to 4 weeks of salon smooth skin with a Silk Appeal 7 Wet and Dry Epilator by Brown.
When we were babies, everyone was hyper careful about our skin. As we've gotten older, we've gotten a bit more cavalier. But getting older doesn't mean our skin deserves all this abuse. Panasonic cares about protecting your skin, whether you just started puberty or you've moved way past menopause. With hypoallergenic, high-performance stainless steel blades, Panasonic shavers help you get a gentle shave every time, wet or dry. And a bikini attachment that gently trims your most sensitive areas, because no matter how old or young you are, your skin deserves to be cared for. Introducing the newest shavers from Panasonic. Giving your skin the care it deserves. Always.
A little fuzz can be just the right stuff. Trim and shape arms, bikini area, or hairline with the Andis Women's Trimmer. Fuzz isn't gross, but disposable razors are. Andis Women's Trimming line helps you do you responsibly. So trim and shape the easy way with Andis Women's Trimmer.
We hope you like our video. Please subscribe to our channel and comment down below.